attorney Andrea Witt, joined by
attorney Stephen Spano. Today, we're discussing why you should never sign an assisted living or continuing care retirement community contract without first having a legal expert review the senior living community and the contract first.
Many communities require substantial upfront payments, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars that you could lose if the community goes bankrupt. And unfortunately, this has happened more often than many people realize, including here in Massachusetts.
And the financial landscape for senior living communities has become increasingly challenging for them. There's rising costs, staffing shortages, post-pandemic pressures have forced so many well-established facilities into bankruptcy, leaving residents scrambling and their buy-in fees, well, potentially lost forever.
That's why it's crucial to have an attorney review the community and the contracts before you sign. In addition, the agreements are complex legal documents that heavily favor the community, not you. The fine print often has provisions that could leave you financially vulnerable or prohibit you from taking them to court.
And one major red flag to watch for is how the contract manages refunds if the community closes or unfortunately goes bankrupt. Most contracts place you, the resident, at the bottom of the creditor list, meaning if the community fails, you could be forced to move out and recover little to nothing of your investment.
Another critical issue is the community's financial health. An experienced attorney can help you understand what financial disclosures the community must provide and how to interpret them. The attorney can also advise whether more due diligence is needed.
And don't be pressured into signing quickly, even if they offer limited time incentives. Legitimate communities will allow you reasonable time to have the contract reviewed. Any community that rushes you should raise some immediate concerns.
It's also important to understand the difference between entrance fees, monthly fees, and what services are guaranteed. Some contracts promise care levels that may not be available if the community's financial situation deteriorates.
And that's why we recommend having an attorney review not just the main contract, but all the related documents, including the disclosure statements, financial reports, and any addendums. The devil is truly in the details of these agreements.
Remember, this may be the largest financial commitment you'll make in your lifetime. Investing in a financial and legal review could save you from losing hundreds of thousands later.
And that's even if you're dealing with a well-known, established community. The senior living industry is truly facing unprecedented challenges. What seems stable today may not be tomorrow.
Join us next time for more information to help protect your health, your assets, your income, and your independence.
And if you have questions or suggestions, contact Spano, DeWicki, and Witt at 781-231-7800 or at help@spanodewickiwitt.com.